Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a workflow that would read from the HDFS and then again save the file, the output in the HDFS itself. So we have two workflows and one of them reads from the HDFS and writes to the HDFS. So let's quickly check out the source, which is a CSV file, and this is currently stored in the HDFS itself. We'll quickly look at the preview of this file, and this is how it looks like. And what we're doing over here, we are just dropping some of the columns. So there are a bunch of columns and we have selected some of the columns. And finally, we are saving it in a specific directory calling it as housing underscore cleaned. So let's execute this job right in the Sparkflows itself. So you do not have to go anywhere. So here we can see that all of the different nodes that we had created in the workflow are being executed. So finally we can see that the output schema has been configured as per our requirement and the workflow has been completed. So this is how we can create and execute a workflow that could read and write from the HDFS in Sparkflows. Thank you.